guys, this is Ren and we're here in Mother Base. Nakakita na ba kayo ng tiny labubu at napakalaking mega size labubu, the Monster Sketch Edition. So, kitang-kita nyo naman napakaliit na itong labubong hawak ko, tapos ito putik. Ang laki! So, let's unbox this wonderful sketch, the Monster Labubu. So guys, as always, meron tayong certificate ng labubu natin. Kapag wala to, fake yung hawak nyo guys. So let's get the labubu out of the box. Clamshell pa lang guys, ang bigat na. So kaya pala sketch ang tawag nila dito. Ito yung sketch na ginawang figure ni Labubu. Hay nako rin, ang tanga. Ang ganda niya. Katuwa, ito pala yung first edition ng Labubu natin bago maging stuffed toy like this, guys. Kita nyo, ang layo, guys. Ang laki. Betayo, be. Betayo. Okay, ayun ito may. So, guys, ito ang ating sketch, the Monster Labubu, guys. So, kung gusto niyo itong makita in person, guys, visit us on the Mother Base by Boss Senpai on our Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube channel. So, guys, check this out.